Life is unpredictable and emergencies can happen when you least expect them. But knowing a few simple life-saving tips can make the difference between life and death, not just for you but for the people around you. In this video, we'll cover essential tips that everyone should know, no matter where you live or how old you are. If someone suddenly collapses and isn't breathing, call emergency services immediately and start hands-only CPR. That means pushing hard and fast in the center of the chest, around 100 to 120 compressions per minute, like the beat of the song Staying Alive by the Bee Gees. It keeps oxygen flowing until help arrives. If you're choking and alone, don't panic. You can save yourself by performing the Heimlich maneuver using the back of a chair or countertop. Place your abdomen against the edge and thrust yourself forward quickly. Repeat until the object dislodges. In case of a fire, never open a door if the handle is hot. It could mean flames on the other side. Instead, use a towel or cloth to block the bottom of the door and find another exit. Always stay low to avoid smoke inhalation. Smoke rises. Clean air stays near the ground. If you're caught in a rip current at the beach, don't swim directly back to shore, you'll exhaust yourself. Instead, swim parallel to the shore until you're out of the current. Then head back to land. Staying calm saves energy and can save your life. For bleeding wounds, apply firm pressure with a clean cloth or your hand. If the bleeding doesn't stop, don't remove the cloth, add more layers and keep pressing. Elevating the injury above the heart can also help reduce blood flow. If you see someone having a seizure, don't try to hold them down. Clear the area around them so they don't injure themselves, and place something soft under their head. Turn them gently to the side once the seizure stops to keep their airway clear. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. It's odorless, colorless, and deadly. Make sure your home has a working carbon monoxide detector, especially near bedrooms. If you feel dizzy, nauseous, or confused and suspect a leak, get outside immediately and call emergency services. If you're ever lost in the wild, remember the rule of threes. You can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Prioritize shelter and clean water first. And finally, always have a small emergency kit in your car, home, or backpack. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, a flashlight, water, snacks, and a whistle. You may never need it, but if you do, you'll be ready. These life-saving tips take just minutes to learn, but can last a lifetime. Share this video with your friends and family, because the more people who know what to do, the safer we all become. Stay prepared, stay safe, and thanks for watching.